Undersecretary Gil Beltran says the APEC workshop on fiscal management that opened in Bagac, Bataan today will center on transparency and reforms with the end goal of attaining inclusive growth in the Asia-Pacific region. In his welcome remarks, Yusek Beltran said that as host of this year's APEC Finance Ministers process, the Philippines seeks to sustain the country's growth story and make it inclusive. That it also aims to make a contribution to the ever-continuing goal of the APEC for sustained economic growth in the region. For more details, here's Jade Miguel.
Fiscal transparency and policy reforms, particularly in tax reform, are the main focus of APEC workshop on fiscal management here in Bagac, Bataan. According to Department of Finance Undersecretary Gil Beltran, our country's economy has risen to 6% within 5 years due to strengthening of the government's transparency campaign, including the implementation of finance policies.
For the past 5 years, the Philippines has enjoyed growth rates of above 6%, one of the highest in Southeast Asia. We have economic gain from our current drive towards good governance, of which its centerpieces include fiscal transparency and sound management of fiscal resources, including tax reform.
As the host of APEC workshop, the Department of Finance aims to make the economic growth inclusive and to maintain the said progress in the region. In the two-day workshop, open data initiatives will be introduced as a means to achieve fiscal transparency. Reforms on taxation to prevent tax leakages, anomalous utilization of tax, and the maximization of the revenue's value will also be discussed. Among the topics included in the workshop are syntax for social health financing, fiscal incentives rationalization, and subsidy. APEC leaders believe that through the government's initiative to make their data on finance and budgeting available would allow public's participation to scrutinize the documents and ensure that their money and taxes are being well utilized by the government. Reporting from Bagac, Bataan, this is Jade Miguel for the People's Television.